Dear students and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to involve you in a very interesting activity. The activity is that you will have to find the name of the country with the help of emojis. What are emojis? Emojis are digital icons or images which express some emotions, feelings, or ideas. So let us start right now. The first exercise is, here you can see the emojis. On the left side is the emoji of chain, and on the right side the word is written A. So look carefully at these emojis and guess the country, guess the name of the country. Okay, I give you hint. On the left side the word chain is written, so now it will be easy for you to find the name of the country. Okay, the time is over. China. Okay, next. Okay, look at the emoji carefully. On the right side is crane. So now you can easily find the name of the country. Okay, hurry up. Okay, let's see. Ukraine. Spelling of crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane, but in Ukraine, crane, K-R-A-I-N-E. Ukraine is the name of the country. Okay, next. Activity number 3. Okay, guess the name of the country. What is on the left side of the pic? It is ice, and on the right side it is land. Ice, land. So what is the name of the country? Iceland. Number 4. Okay, these are total 10 riddles. Okay, guess the name of the country. Okay, on the left side is the word written is I, and on the right side is the emoji of a girl who is running. Okay, I gave you a hint. Run, run, I run. So what is the name of the country? Iran. Iran. Okay, next. Number 5. Number 5. Guess the name of the country with the help of emojis. I hope that you are taking interest. Okay, find the name of the country. Okay, I hope you must have found the name of the country. For those Who didn't find the name of the country, I gave you hint. Okay, tune on the left side, the emoji of tune, and on the right side is Asia. Asia, you can see Asia. So what is the name of the country? You can find with the help of these two words, tune and Asia. G. Okay, let's see. Tunisia. Tunisia. Number 6. Okay, number 6. Okay, find the name of the country with these emojis. Okay, I gave you hint. Yeah. On the left side is the pic of port. Port. And on the right side you see the emoji of a girl. So guess the name of the country. Port, girl. Okay, let's see. Portugal. Next. Number 7. Okay. Number 7. Okay, find the name of the country. Guess. On the left side is the emoji of camera. Camera, camera. And on the right side is the word un. Some letters, double O and un. So let us see. The name of the country is Cameroon. Cameroon. Okay. Number 8. Yeah. Number 8. Guess the name of the country. Okay, I gave you hint. On the left side is hanger. Hanger. Now find out the name of the country. Hanger. E. So what is the name of the country? Hungary. Hungary. Number 9. Number 9. Find the name of the country. Guess the name of the country from these emojis. Okay, I give you the hint. On the left side is the emoji of bell. In the middle the letter R is written, and on the left side is the image of the flag of US. So what is the name of the country? So let us see. Belarus. 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 Okay, 10 and the last. G. Find the name of the country. Okay, I gave you the hint. In the middle you can see the emoji of hut. So let's see. The name of the country is Bhutan. So in this way we have completed today's activity. So I hope that you must have enjoyed it and you must have liked it. So don't forget to like this video, comment, share and most important of all, to subscribe. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.